Hello everyone, welcome to Superior Products. I am in the warehouse right now. We're gonna do a quick little video on our value packs and I'm gonna go through each kit with you, but what is a value pack? So here at Superior Products, we put together some really cool kits, value packs for you guys to be able to try if you have not tried our products yet. So a lot of people reach out, can I sample it? Can I try it? Well, yes, you can. And we do have sample sizes available, but those sample sizes are so small that it doesn't really give you a good feel for how our products work. And truly, when you try the product, you're gonna love it, promise. So we put together these value packs. They are half-gallon sizes of each of our top selling items, and within the kit you get 4 half-gallon sizes, and in the kits that are not Body Shop safe, you do get a can of the Coverall tire dressing. In the Body Shop safe kit, you get our non-silicone tire and interior dressing. All of these guys are available at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Walk in, ask for the store manager. We are a commercial line with O'Reilly's, so that means we do have a few items retail that are on the shelf, but for the most part, you're gonna wanna get with the store manager, let him know you wanna try a Superior Products value pack. I will go over the part numbers in each video talking about each kit, and then they can bring it in from their distribution centers, and that's it. You guys can try it. They're not that expensive. I think the kits retail from anywhere from $35 to $42 for the entire kit. That's 4 half gallons and a can of Coverall. You're gonna love it. Try it, you will not be disappointed. Again, my name is Jolene. I work here at Superior Products. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Enjoy the video and have a fantastic day. We are going to talk about the part number is A100. This is just our basic value pack. So each value pack comes with half-gallon sizes of our most popular items. And in the A100, we have these 4 half gallons, and then you also get a can of the infamous Coverall tire dressing. So each one of these products is great if you are just getting started in the detailing industry, or if you are a detailer that has been around for years and you are looking for a cost-effective, super concentrated line of chemicals to add to your wash bay. So let's start with cherry foam, Dirt Buster, my bad. Dirt Buster is a cherry scented concentrated pH neutral soap, 1 to 2 capfuls in your 5-gallon bucket. Hit it with some water, suds, great, easy to use soap, fantastic product. Yes, you can use it in a foam cannon. Next up is Super Shine. Super Shine is a water-based, ready-to-use interior dressing. This is gonna be great for your dash, your vinyl, anything on the interior that you want to shine up and protect. This does have some UV protectant in it. It's very low gloss, and again, it is ready to use. You don't wanna dilute this one. Next up is Muscle Magic. Muscle Magic is a super concentrated, heavy duty, high caustic degreaser. So this stuff is extremely strong. Cut it 10 to 1 to start off, and then you can use it on engines, you can use it on concrete floors if they have oil that has spilled on it. Again, this is a heavy duty, high caustic degreaser. Very high pH. And again, start off 10 to 1. Do not let this stuff dry full strength on the exterior of your vehicle. Do not let this dry full strength on the exterior of your vehicle. It can cause some damage. Make sure it's diluted. Make sure you spray it on a cool, wet surface. You'll be good to go. And then last in the kit is Zap It. Zap It is our stain remover, interior cleaner. You can pretty much use this stuff anywhere. I actually just used some at my house the other day because my dog had an accident on the carpet. It's gonna come separated. It's green on the bottom. It's white, kind of like a foam on top. You're gonna shake it up before you use it. So shake, shake, shake. It smells great. It's got a citrus scent, and this stuff will take up gum, crayon, ink, markers, blood, anything that is on the interior, stains that have been there for years. Try this stuff on it as a pre-treat. You will not be disappointed. It is an amazing stain remover. And then again, last but not least, Coverall. Coverall is solvent based. It is a high gloss tire dressing. Spray and walk away. Literally, that's all you do. Shake it up a little bit, spray your tires once or twice, let it dry, 30 seconds to a minute, you're good to go. Now, do not overspray this product. And also, over the last couple of years with COVID, we had some issues with supply and demand. The old can is back. The old spray nozzle, everything old about this product is back. So if you're hesitant, grab a can, you will not be disappointed. New spray nozzle is back, it works great. Spray and walk away. I'm gonna move on to our next kit, which is the Detailer's Kit, part number A102. We put together these value packs to give you enough of the product to try it on a few different vehicles to make sure that you like how it works and that it is the right fit for what you're trying to accomplish in that particular detail. This kit is called the Detailer Kit. Part number is A102 on this, and we're gonna start with Dark Fury. Dark Fury already has a very large following. Most of you guys have tried this, you love it. If you're not familiar with this product, it is a wheel and bug cleaner. Very strong, high pH, so you wanna be careful with that. Always start at 4:1 with the dilution on this product. I would never go any less than 4:1 because it is so strong. So start at 4:1. You could probably take it further than that, maybe even up to 10:1. So dilute it, spray, make sure your rim or your wheel is cool and wet. Spray this product all over it. Let it dwell for about 20 to 30 seconds. Hit it with your pressure washer. You won't have to scrub. You won't have to do a lot of work. It will literally melt the brake dust off of your rim. Works fantastic. Same with bugs. So if you've got a bunch of bugs on the front of your car, truck, SUV, wet it, make sure it's cool, spray this stuff all over those bugs. Again, let it dwell for 20 to 30 seconds, hit it with a pressure washer. The bugs are just gonna melt right off. Really cool product. Next in the lineup is Aqua Gloss. Aqua Gloss is a concentrated interior or exterior dressing. This product is so cool because it actually will repel dust without sounding like I'm getting into too much specific detail here. There's negative ions, there's positive ions. This product will actually repel dust. So it's concentrated. You can control the gloss. So if you're looking for more of a high shine finish, use it full strength. It's gonna be thick, it's gonna glob out, but you can put it onto an applicator and then wipe the surface down, whether you're trying to do the dash or the tires. You can use it full strength, but it will not spray through a spray bottle at full strength. Has a really cool smell. It's kind of like a melon scent. And then again, if you're looking for just a satin or that new car look, cut it 50-50, cut it 4:1. It will start to separate when it is diluted that much. Not a problem. Shake it up before you go to use it again. You'll still get amazing results with it. Firepower. This is a non-caustic interior cleaner. So you can, non-caustic, meaning you can run it through equipment without causing any damage to your equipment. So you can put it in your carpet extractor. 2 to 4 ounces in your carpet extractor should be plenty. If you use a product we have called Zap It as a pre-treatment and then Firepower in your carpet extractor, you guys are going to absolutely love how your carpets and seats will come out clean. They are gonna smell great, they're gonna look great, and when it dries, it's not gonna dry with a bunch of weird things in there. It's just going to look clean. So again, non-caustic interior cleaner. And also great for equipment. Pressure washers, carpet extractors will not damage your equipment. Next up is Easy Shine. Easy Shine is a quick detailer, or you can also use this as a clay bar lubricant. This is considered a ready-to-use product. We do have some accounts that will dilute it 1:1. I wouldn't cut it any further than that. Smells like grape. Works awesome. You can also use this in between your ceramic coatings if you're looking for something to just keep up with the maintenance of the vehicle, keep it shiny, add a little bit of protection to the exterior. This product will be fantastic for that. Spray it on, wipe it off, that's it. Very easy to use. And then of course, last up, Coverall, which does come in the Detailer Kit as well. This is the old Coverall. Any of that other stuff that we put out during COVID when we were having problems with getting time on the aerosol fillers lines. We're back, baby. Old nozzle, the old everything. Grab it, try it, you will love it. Spray it on, walk away, you're done. This again is the detailer kit, part number A102. If you are looking to try our line of products out, this is a fantastic way. Very small investment and you get a lot of product out of it. I think you will probably love everything that you try. Next up, we are going to talk about the Body Shop Safe Value Pack. These are stocked at all of the O'Reilly Auto Parts distribution centers. Go into O'Reilly's, ask for the store manager, tell them that you want to try a Body Shop Safe Value Pack from Superior Products. Again, part number is A101 and our line code with O'Reilly's is SCP. Talk to that store manager. We are a commercial line with O'Reilly's. We have a few retail items, but most of the stuff is stocked at their distribution centers. You can have it same day, if not next day. So we're gonna talk about Dirt Buster. Again, Dirt Buster is a nice cherry scented pH neutral soap. 2 to 3 capfuls, 1 capful. I mean, it really, you can play around with the dilution, but 1 to 2 capfuls will be plenty for a 5-gallon bucket of water. Yes, you can also use this stuff in a foam cannon if you are interested in doing that application as well. I'm gonna save this for last. Next up in this value pack is Muscle Magic. Again, this is a high pH, super concentrated, heavy duty degreaser, engines, oil on the concrete, whatever you need to clean that is covered in grease or oil, this is your guy. Cut it 10 to 1. You could probably do further than that depending on what you are cleaning, and adjust the dilution as needed for your application. That goes with any of our products. We always recommend starting at 4 to 1 and then adjust as you need to adjust. Now with this product, do not let this dry full strength on the surface of your vehicle. Do not let this dry full strength on the surface of your vehicle. Spray it onto a cool wet surface. Make sure it's diluted, and rinse it off right after that. Don't delete it. So again, this is a great high pH, heavy duty degreaser. Zap it. It's gonna come separated like this, green on the bottom, white on the top. This is a fantastic interior cleaner, stain remover, carpet cleaner, seat cleaner. I use it in my kitchen, I use it at home, I use it everywhere, but it's just a great product to use for stains and for cleaning. Shake it up before you use it, mix those two things together, and it smells fantastic. It's got a nice citrus scent. It does have a raw material in it called delimonene. That is going to be basically it's the oil extract from an orange peel, and it cleans great, acts as a degreaser, and smells fantastic. So you will not be disappointed with this. Ink, crayon, marker, gum, all of the above, this will work very well for you. And then last, what makes this product Body Shop Safe is the rubber dressing. Rubber dressing is our Body Shop Safe non-silicone interior, exterior dressing, and it is also a concentrate. So start off at 4 to 1, and then you can spray it anywhere on the interior or exterior. With it being non-silicone, it does not have the lasting capabilities that our silicone-based products will have, but it's great for body shops. So if you are a body shop and you offer a small little detail when you're done doing the body work, you can use this to kind of just finish the vehicle with adding a little bit of shine to the tires. So when the customer comes in and they see their car done, it just adds a little bit extra for your client. Okay, sorry you guys, I wanted to talk about this again really quick. We do have VOC compliant options for both our value pack, the A100, and our detailer kit, the A102. The only difference is within the kit, you are going to get a can of the VOC compliant Coverall. So there are around 18 or 19 states now that have adapted strict VOC rules and regulations for that state. So within those particular states, we have to sell the VOC compliant Coverall. So if you are in one of those states and you still want to try one of these amazing value packs, don't worry, we've got you covered.